Question 2. In a large high school, 24% of students are involved in the theatre productions, whilst 45% play a musical instrument. A. If half of the population are interested in neither, complete the Venn diagram. So, if it's half are interested in neither, we know that 0.5 lie in the region outside. Then 24% are involved in theatre productions. 24% lie in this circle, but we don't know which. I'm just going to have to put 0.24 there. Similarly, for musical instruments, we have within the circle there 0.45, 0.45. All right, how are we going to identify the three values there? One approach is to do the following. I'm going to call this x an unknown amount. We don't know how many, but the moment we put an x there, we know that this with a subtraction, it would be 0.24 minus x. On the right hand side, with x in the middle, the amount that would be left would be 0.45 minus x. We now know that this, and this adds up to 1. I'm going to write that out. 0.24 minus x plus 0.45 minus x plus 0.5 is equal to 1. Now we have an equation to solve. We could subtract x and add x. That disappears. When you add up 0.24, 0.45 and 0.5, we get 1.19. We still have minus x from the line above equals 1. Therefore, x is 0.19. We have now found that value for x. So what we can do is write down 0.19 there. We can then do a subtraction because we know this is 0.24. So we're left with 0.05. Similarly, on the right hand side, the whole music circle is 0.45. With a subtraction, we get 0.26. And if you wanted to check this, and this, those four values add up to 1. B. Determine whether the likelihood of a student playing a musical instrument is independent of their being involved in theatre productions. We have from the formula sheet the probability of A intersection B equals probability event A, probability event B if independent. So with all the values from our diagram at the top, we're going to check whether this is true or not. So let's state what that left-hand side is. Our left-hand side is the probability of T intersection M, and we have that is 0.19 from the diagram at the top. What about on the right-hand side? What about the probability of T multiplied by the probability of M? So we have 0.24 and 0.45. 0.24 multiplied by 0.45. Then calculator, 0.24 multiplied by 0.45. We get 0.108. So our answer is going to be not independent because 0.19 does not equal 0.108.